I just took a new Shopify store from zero to over $2,000 a day, and I did it almost 100% with AI. AI found the product, AI built the store, and AI even helped me create the ads. So today, I'm gonna show you how to use this exact strategy to start your first store, even if you've never done it before. And it all starts with finding a great product. So let me show you the exact strategy that we used to find the product that we scaled from zero to over $104,000 in revenue in just under 90 days. There's actually two methods that I use to do product research, but none of them are relevant if you don't know what you're looking for. And to be honest with you, if you understand the criteria of a winning product, you'll be able to spot them everywhere. Most people overcomplicate this process because they don't understand what a winning product looks like. And after making millions of dollars on Shopify, there's really only three main things that I look for when selling a product. First, you need to find something that is recently going viral within the last 30 days. You should try to stay away from being the first person to sell a product, and you should try to stay away from products that have been running for over a year. You really want to try to find things that are just starting to catch some traction right now. Reason being that this product is now validated and you have examples in terms of your competitors that you can look at for website design, for pricing, for product photos, pretty much for everything. Because as a beginner, it's really hard to do these things from scratch. So when you have an example to look at, it basically just gives you the roadmap on how to move forward. Don't reinvent the wheel, find something that's working right now and model it. Next, you need to find a product that solves a problem and improves somebody's life. Now, if you've been watching my videos for a long time, you already know this. I talk about this every single time, but I still see people that are trying to sell electronics and gadgets and gimmicky products just for the season that they're in right now. This doesn't work, and if it does work, it's very short-lived. You need to find products that are evergreen, that can sell all year long, and that fix painful problems in people's lives. The bigger the problem, the bigger the profit. And we're about to find one of these live together. Finally, you need to find something that is not easily available in stores. You need to find products that have a wow factor and are super unique. We are going to be marketing to people who never heard of us before. So if our product doesn't catch their attention, we're not going to be able to stand out. So now that you understand the criteria of a winning product, let me show you my two favorite product research methods. The first one is called the burner method. Now, this is a free method that works half of the time. Basically, you go on your Facebook feed. What I like to do is use my sister or my mom's account because they have a women's account and you get better ads on a women's account. And I just look for e-commerce stores like this one. And every time I see an ad, I'll like it, I'll comment on it, I'll go to the website, basically do everything that I can to show Facebook that I am an engaged shopper. And what this is gonna do is make my feed just full of e-commerce ads that are running right now. Now, this method is great if you're on a super low budget, but it's extremely inconsistent and you have to sit and scroll on the Facebook feed all day just to find something decent. So what I like to do is use this tool here called Kalo Data. Now, it has a little bit of a subscription cost, but this tool is great because you can see exactly how much revenue each product is generating on TikTok Shop. And basically our strategy is to find products that are running on TikTok Shop and bring them over to Facebook ads. That's exactly how we took that product from zero to 100,000. So considering everything that I taught you earlier, we want to try to find products that have just recently been launched that don't have a ton of revenue. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to limit the revenue to 250,000. And you can play around with these filters yourself, but this is just where I like to start. And after clicking apply, we're also going to limit the launch date of the product to within 30 days. And then we click submit. And now I'm gonna do some research and try to find a good product, and I'll come back in just a second. When I'm looking for products, I'm avoiding any branded or copyrighted stuff, and I'm really looking for something that hits on all the criteria we just talked about. Solving a problem, super unique, and recently starting to trend. So let me see if I can find something good. So this is a great product here. This product has just literally been launched 5 days ago, and they've already done $200,000 in revenue. So when we see something blowing up like this in just under a week, this is something that we definitely want to consider. The beautiful part about Kalo Data is you can see exactly how much revenue this company has earned, and you get access to all these videos that people are using on TikTok Shop, and we can actually use these videos to start our own store. And I'll teach you a little bit about that later on. So yeah, this product is basically just some mascara that extends the length of your eyelashes. and it's pretty good. I like this product, but my only problem with it is that because it's a really tiny package, you can only sell this product for maybe $9.99 or $19.99, so your margins aren't that good. So I want to see if I can find something a little bit more expensive that also solves a big problem. All right, so I like this product much better. It's basically an at-home Pilates board, and I don't know if you guys know this, but people are spending literally thousands of dollars a year to go to these Pilates studios, and this kind of creates a solution for them to do it at home. And you can see that this was launched somewhat recently, but more importantly, it's been popping off recently. In this last week, it has scaled to over $50,000 in a single day. And when we see a trend line like this is exactly when we want to jump on a product. So you might be asking, how does AI work into all this? Well, we're actually gonna use AI to validate this product for us. It's gonna do deep research of the market and tell us if it's even worth pursuing this product. So let me show you how to do that right now. So in the description, I'm gonna give you guys this for 100% free. This is my product validator prompt. And what we're gonna do is we're going to copy this prompt right here, bring it over to ChatGPT, and we are going to insert our product name here. So in this case, we're gonna call it a portable at-home Pilates reformer. And then instead of just doing a regular search, we want to go and we want to have it do deep research. And what this is going to do is literally go scan thousands of articles across the internet and make a educated guess on the potential of this product based on literally millions of data points. So after we hit this, it's usually going to ask us some more questions. So it's going to ask, do you have a specific model or brand of this product in mind? Are you targeting a specific demographic? So what I'm going to do here is just put a picture of the product. That way they can see what it is. Are you targeting a specific market? We could say no. Do you have a preferred customer profile? You don't have to have one, but in this case, I would say like women, probably 20 to 50. I would say fitness, beginners. I'm just looking for a good at-home workout and saving money on Pilates. And you don't have to fill out this extra information, but it just helps when they do the deep research. And then it says, are you gonna do drop shipping? Boom. So then we put drop shipping, we let it load, and in about 5 minutes or so, it will spit back out all the information that we need. And I'll let you guys know what it says. Okay, so after about 6 minutes, we get a full analysis from ChatGPT, and it's gonna give us a final verdict on if we should sell this product. It's done a full research of the market saying Pilates has surged in popularity recently and it will continue to dominate. It talks about how successful it is on social media, even referencing all these different articles. And then it talks about the competitors that are running at this moment. So you have instant access to who's running this product. And then you also get some breakdowns of the ads library, the competitors' weaknesses, and we go into everything, the profitability, the COGS, the ad angles, the creative. Obviously, we're not going to read all this right now, but if you were looking to validate your product, you definitely want to go through all this. What I'm looking for is the final verdict that they come up with. So let's see if they give us the approval to go for this product. They say, yes, I would say this product has potential, has moderate to high potential to scale on Facebook ads with some caution. And then it tells us exactly what we would need to improve if we wanted to sell this product. So, hey, it's giving us that green light. It's saying this product is worth testing and it can definitely be profitable at scale. So when you guys are launching your products, it's very important to get them validated by ChatGPT. And back in the day, we would just have to blindly test these products ourselves. But thankfully now we can do extremely deep research with AI and it helps remove some of the guesswork of the process. So now that we have a validated product, it's time to build our store. And by the way, in a couple days at 7 p.m. EST, I'm going to be hosting a free masterclass where I'll break down this entire strategy with extreme detail. This video today is just a quick overview, but on my free live training, I'm going to be showing every single step of the process live and even give you a case study on how I helped a 17-year-old beginner turn his last $38 into a $50,000 a month online store. You're also going to get the chance to ask me questions directly about every step of the process. So if you're serious about building an online store this year, I highly recommend clicking the link in the description and signing up for my free training coming up in just a couple of days. And yes, it's actually going to be live. So click the link below to sign up today. The seats are extremely limited and I won't be doing this again for quite some time. So don't miss out. I'll see you there. Now, the best type of store to build is a branded niche store. You want to build a store in a broad industry like beauty, health, or fitness. And the store we built in the example of scaling from 0 to 100K was actually in the health space. To be honest, I wouldn't recommend selling outside of these industries as they are full of incredible products, and more importantly, all of the products in that space fix massive insecurities. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and put together a sample store to show you guys exactly what's working for us. And I'm gonna use the product that we just found here. Okay, so this is the sample store that we put together. It is in the health and wellness space for women. And we've also got the product that we looked at earlier imported and all set up. And as you can see, this website is looking super legit. And the craziest part is that we did pretty much all of this with AI. AI came up with the branding. AI made all these product images. AI wrote all the copy on this website. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I did it. Now, again, to build all of this out live would take me 45 minutes to an hour, and we don't have time for this on this video. So make sure to check out that masterclass coming up in just a couple days. But long story short, I use simple ChatGPT prompts to spit out these things that completed the website. So I have prompts to make the product images, prompts to write the bullet points, prompts to come up with the product offer. Pretty much everything is prompted. So let me just go back and show you my conversation that I had with ChatGPT. Like, for example, when I wanted to come up with the brand name of the store, I put in a simple prompt like this. It spit out these names and we found the name of our store. All I did was just change it from an I to a Y because the other domain wasn't available. Then as I started building the website, I literally asked it for the copy for us to use. And you can see that's the same copy that is on our homepage. And as I continued, I kept asking it for each little piece of copy and it helped fill out the store. Then you could see I was able to take the basic images from the supplier, give it a custom prompt, change the background color. I was able to take this picture from this woman and I was able to put the copy from the other picture right on top of here. I was able to put her in the picture. I was able to create these custom bullet points. And mind you, I never had to open up Photoshop, Canva, or anything. And that's what we use to complete this product page. Product page is the most important part of the entire process. The homepage doesn't really matter because most of the traffic that you're getting from ads is gonna bring them here. And all in all, thanks to AI, it took me just under an hour to get this product page ready for launch. Whereas back in the day, this would have taken me an entire day. I would have had to design everything from scratch, write all of the copy. These days, it's easier than ever to get these websites off the ground. So once you got your store ready, the final step of the process is to launch some ads. These days, the best platform to run ads on is Meta. Now, last year in my previous guide, I told you guys it was TikTok, but they have completely fell off. They're getting more and more expensive and getting less consistent by the day. Meta is 10 times better, and once you find something that works, it is extremely consistent. On my $1.8 million store, I ran the same ad on Meta for over a year without changing anything. And this just isn't possible on TikTok. When it comes to creating ads, instead of creating your own ads from scratch as a beginner, I recommend simply using videos from TikTok shop creators on Kalo data. This is without a doubt the easiest way to test the product. Now, there are some minor risks with this. You could risk getting your account banned and you also could risk competition with your competitors, but 99% of the time you'll be fine doing this. This is what we do to test all of our products. And once we find something that's working, we instantly double down and create our own ads. When I say testing a product, I mean launching a simple campaign on Facebook ads, spending around $30 to $50 a day and seeing if the product is getting sales. If you do this and the product doesn't work, you should just move on to the next one and figure out where you went wrong so you can improve next time. Was it your timing? Were you too late to the product? Does your website suck? Are your ads not up to par? You need to figure out what went wrong so you can improve it for the next launch. But once you start getting some traction with the ads from Kalo, you can double down and make your own ads using AI. And this is where everything gets crazy. Like, I was able to use AI to make this extremely realistic of our product, and I want to show it to you guys right now. So this is an ad that we created with an AI model and with clips that we found from TikTok. I'll show you just a little bit of it so you can see how crazy these things look. So this is obviously a real person, but the next person I'm going to show you is completely fake.
I always felt like I didn't have time for the gym, and honestly, my body was not getting any younger. But then I found this, and it changed everything. First, it actually works fast. I lost 2 inches off my waist in just 3 weeks with only 15 minutes a day at home.
So ChatGPT wrote the entire script for this video. ChatGPT told me exactly what clips to use at what second, and all I had to do was go source the clips from TikTok and plug in the AI voiceover that we created. So as you can see, not only does it tell you exactly what text to use for your voiceover, but it also gives you the exact visual that you should try to use for your ads. And then once we have our script ready to go, I plug it into this tool called Make UGC. We make that AI voiceover model, put it over some clips from TikTok, and then we have a ready to launch ad. And if your AI ads perform good, then that means you have a product that you can really scale to that 6 or 7 figure level. Because this is the exact same strategy that we use to go from $0 to over $2,000 a day. So I have no doubt in my mind that if you implement this, you can see similar results for yourself. Make sure to sign up for the free masterclass coming up in just a couple days, and I will see you guys in the next video.